Hi, I'm Brian Cannan and I have Andrew Coulson from Think Real Estate with me today. Hello Andrew.
Hi Brian.
And we're going to be talking about the fraud prevention guidelines.
Yeah, the government's brought in a set of guidelines for agents to be able to identify who the owner of the property is before we start transacting with them.
I think the important part there was guidelines. It's not law.
That's correct. We have a duty of care to protect the consumer, so we need to identify that the owner is who they portray to be.
So what you're saying is that if I'm going to sign an agency agreement with you, I can say that I'm Andrew Coulson and sign the signature. And if you don't check that I'm not Andrew Coulson, then you're getting in a lot of trouble.
That's exactly right, Brian. So we have this duty of care to be able to identify them. We may have transacted with them in the past, and we can vouch for them by saying, yes, we have done that in the past, and we would keep some form of documentation that we have been able to identify who they are.
So who decides on what documentation we have to keep?
Well, it's a guideline, remember. Fair Trading has given us a form that we can complete, and within that form it asks for photo ID, be it a driver's licence or a passport, or if we don't have access to those, it may be secondary information such as a Medicare card or a credit card or a rates notice. Some of those forms, and then we'd keep those records as evidence.
So what you're really telling me is that we should probably have a policy on this in the office, and the office would decide on the guidelines and what sort of identification they would like to get, and everyone in that office follows the policy and procedure.
It would be very, very simple if we got into the habit of, when we take out our agency agreement, be it management or sales, we immediately take out a fraud prevention checklist, and we can complete that, and we've completed our obligations.
Yeah, I find what most agents do is say, can I have your driver's licence? Because then you're getting their real name, their legal name, getting the spelling right, and it makes your agency agreement 100%.
Looks very professional too.
Thank you, Andrew.
Thanks, Brian.